Welcome back to the Ultimate Crash Test Showdown for 2025. Today, we're diving deep into the Euro NCAP safety performances of three superstar SUVs, the Hyundai Santa Fe, Mazda CX-80, and Subaru Forester. These vehicles are setting new benchmarks in safety, but which one truly claims the throne? Let's break it down like the experts. 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. The reimagined Hyundai Santa Fe pairs rugged design with a suite of advanced safety features to back its bold appearance. Overall rating: Hyundai's commitment to safety engineering shines with a well-deserved 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Adult occupant protection, scoring an impressive 92%, the Santa Fe stands as a beacon of safety in its segment. Its robust body structure ensures maximum occupant protection in both frontal and side impact collisions, while airbags are strategically placed to minimize injuries across a variety of crash scenarios. Child occupant protection: with a strong 85%, the Santa Fe showcases exceptional attention to young passengers. ISOFIX anchor points are easy to use, and tests indicate excellent protection for the head and chest, making it a prime choice for family-focused buyers. Vulnerable road users: although respectable, a 65% score reveals areas for improvement. Its autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system effectively detects pedestrians and cyclists, but there is room to refine the collision mitigation in complex scenarios. Safety assist: tech enthusiasts will appreciate the standout 93% score. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking provide a confident and enjoyable driving experience while enhancing overall safety. Verdict: the Santa Fe delivers a comprehensive safety package that's hard to ignore. Exceptional for families and tech-savvy drivers, it prioritizes occupant safety and driver assist technology with style and flair. (2025) Mazda CX-80. Mazda's flagship 3-row SUV combines luxury with advanced safety systems in an elegant package. Overall rating: once again, Mazda proves it's a force to be reckoned with, earning a flawless 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Adult occupant protection: achieving an impressive 90%, the CX-80 excels at absorbing crash impacts while maintaining cabin integrity. From frontal offset tests to side pole collisions, Mazda's meticulous engineering ensures excellent driver and passenger protection. Child occupant protection: An 88% score sets a new benchmark for child safety in the segment. Whether it's booster seats or child restraints, the CX-80 provides top-tier security. ISOFIX anchor points are not only functional but also user-friendly, an often overlooked feature. Vulnerable road users. Mazda shows its proactive approach to pedestrian safety, with a 78% score backed by a sleek, pedestrian-friendly hood design and a responsive AEB system that effectively mitigates collisions. Safety Assist. With a 91% score, the CX-80 balances comfort and control through features like driver monitoring, emergency attention alerts, and traffic sign recognition. It's tech-forward but ensures safety remains the priority. Verdict. Mazda brings style and substance to the safety equation. Its excellence in child occupant protection makes it an ideal choice for larger families seeking class-leading features. ...2025 Subaru Forester. A true veteran in the SUV space, the Subaru Forester continues to push safety boundaries with cutting-edge innovations. Overall rating. The Forester doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them with a well-earned 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Adult occupant protection. Leading the pack with a stellar 94%, the Forester showcases Subaru's advanced frame architecture and unrivaled crash mitigation capabilities. Particularly strong side impact results underline its prowess. Child occupant protection. A solid 86% reflects Subaru's focus on family safety. Restraints were highly effective, mitigating critical head and chest forces in multiple crash tests. Parents can rely on seamless installation and superior protection. Vulnerable road users. At 74%, the Forester strikes a balance between effective pedestrian detection and structural safeguards. Subaru's eyesight system stands out, providing real-time accuracy and avoiding collisions with pedestrians and cyclists. Safety Assist. Stealing the show with an outstanding 95%, the Forester leverages Subaru's proprietary eyesight technology to deliver unmatched pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure prevention. Safety has never felt so intuitive. Verdict. With its robust engineering and technological precision, the Forester is the go-to for buyers prioritizing peace of mind. Its safety assist systems remain an industry benchmark. Which SUV is the safest? If you're on the hunt for the safest SUV, here's the definitive breakdown. Best for families, the Mazda CX-80 takes the lead in child occupant protection, making it perfect for parents with young children. Best tech and driver assistance, the Hyundai Santa Fe impresses with its sophisticated safety assist technology and premium functionality. Overall safest, the Subaru Forester reigns supreme. With best-in-class adult occupant protection and a near-perfect safety assist score, it's the ultimate choice for the safety-conscious driver. Drop a comment below to let us know your favorite. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert reviews and safety updates. Stay safe out there.